This is the Vision 2030, and it's in green to reflect the Saudi Arabian flag. Look at how the door opens. And that is so you don't have to duck to get into the car, right? That's kind of cool. Take a look at how big these wheels are. This is 22-inch rim. And then you've got these thick tires on here as well, because this is an all-terrain supercar. Take a look at these shark fin-like tail lights. That's cool. It was designed by Giuliano. Here are his initials, GFG. And Saudi Arabia commissioned this car for the Vision 2030. It's a full EV, electric vehicle. 2 motors, one in front, one in the back. It's got an F1 brake light. And then if you take a look at this, you have shadow lights in here. That's pretty cool. All right, this is the front, carbon fiber hood. So you can see the different cameras here. Side cameras, left, right, reverse camera up here. Massive screen in the middle. The idea behind this car is it's not the fastest EV, it's not the quickest EV, but what it can do is go 200 kilometers an hour in all terrains. So off-road at 200k an hour. Okay, this is how you turn the car on, and then look what happens. This goes on. All right, ready? Let's go. This is how it is. I've got my little door latch or sun latch open. So you can go high speeds with these latches open. It has about 540 horsepower and the batteries run here in the middle and behind the chairs.
I love how the camel's waiting for you.
A range of around 350 kilometers, and it weighs just under 2 tons. But this, if you can imagine, is like the first kind of supercar that you can take off-road. That's kind of cool. Guys, I'm in Saudi Arabia. This is Shahid. Thank you, Shahid. You've been awesome.